Hello, I'll be catching up on some posts about my Fendi trip, my Rome trip, and everything that I did there. But first, I'm actually back in Manila, just in time for Pride Night. I'll post the pub mat right after the story. So if you're around, come see me. I'm literally going from the airport to the event. Magbibihis lang ako ng mabilis, mag-hair and makeup as fast as I can so I can make it, and I'll see you guys there. Mwah.
Napakaganda. Ay! Gusto mo pala may wind effects? Yes!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo dito. Nakikita ko ang dami pa talaga hanggang dun sa likod. Maraming salamat. Ang sayang tingnan na nagsasama-sama tayo for this June 1. Pero bukod sa celebration, hindi pa rin natin talaga mapagkakailan na marami pang mga challenges na pinagdadaanan ng LGBTQIA+ community. Although dito naman sa Pilipinas napaka-open.
Hey, when we say go, you say go. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Davao and Miss Universe 2015. How did they go?